The Ram Janambhoomi, birthplace of Prabhu Shri Ram, is a great place to experience the divine energies and is believed to have been built by the gods themselves. The city is situated on the banks of the holy river Saryu and is one of the most revered cities as it is an abode of several temples. Ayodhya is also known as Saket, which is an ancient city associated with the epic saga Ramayana, the great valor story of Sri Ram and the rule of his father Raja Dasharath. Currently, one of the most phenomenal constructions of temples is under progress in the city of Ayodhya. The construction of Ayodhya Ram Mandir is happening on the ground site where Prabhu Shri Ram had taken birth. May people are still keen to know more about the temple and what all things can be expected while it remains under construction. Well, we know you two are. Let's know some relevant and important historical facts about Ayodhya's Ram Mandir that is still unknown to many people out there. The facts that make the temple more glorious. The facts about Ayodhya's Ram Mandir. First is largest temple in India. As per its design structure, Ayodhya Ram Mandir is going to be the largest temple in India. According to the Sompura family who designed the temple structure, the height of the temple would be approximately 161 feet along with 28,000 square feet of area. Second is no use of iron and steel in construction. The mandir will be completely made up of stones and instead of iron, cement, elements like copper, white cement and wood is used. Special bricks to be used for construction. To build the temple, bricks specially inscribed as Shri Ram will be used for construction. Fourth one is unique features in temple design. The temple will be 2 stories with a height of 128 feet where the ground floor of the temple will be depicting the life events of Prabhu Shri Ram, the story about his birth and childhood, and the first floor will be depicted the Ram Darbar. Fifth one is time capsule below the temple. According to the sources, the authorities will be placing a time capsule 2000 feet below the ground, right below the temple. The main purpose of placing a time capsule is to protect the identity of the temple so that it doesn't forget in the future. Inspired by Prabhu Shri Ram's life and his ideas and principles, there is a brand that purely follows the path of his teachings. Prabhu Shri Ram, India's best agarbatti and dhoop, is a brand that carries the heritage of India's art, culture and tradition through its products. Their flagship product, the Shripad Ramayan series. Divine Box is entirely based on the 10 life events of Prabhu Shri Ram and is depicted through the famous Madhubani paintings. The brand aims to integrate the ethos of Ramayan into its products and convey the message of Indian